welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be talking about exactly what this paper says, sound waves. So go ahead and do a wave with your arm and get those wiggles out. So friends, what is a sound wave? What could that possibly mean? Is that like a wave that has sound and we could surf on it? What does that exactly mean? So in terms of science, when we think about a sound wave, sound travels. So you can go ahead and hear my voice. But if I wanted to talk louder like this, you can hear my voice and it's traveling. And even in some instances, we can even get some type of a container and shout into it, and it echoes our voice and the sound is echoing out. So what we're gonna do for this experiment today, we're gonna need 2 different containers. I have a pot and I went ahead and covered it with foil nice and tight, and I did that to both containers, and I have a fork. This is gonna be my tool to go ahead and watch the sound move. And I have some beans that I went ahead and placed on top of both different pots. So while you guys go ahead and get your stuff gathered, I'm gonna get mine set up and then we can go ahead and get started, and you guys are gonna go ahead and see sound move. How do you think it's gonna move? Are you interested to see? Is it gonna move like this? Is it gonna move stiff and still? Is it gonna move up and down? I don't know. Let's go ahead and see what happens. Guys, I hope you're ready to go ahead and see sound move with me. As you can see, I went ahead and placed some beans on top of the foil, and these are metal pots that I have. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and bang the side of my pot. And when I'm banging the side of my pot, what do you see? What are the beans doing? Are they staying still or are they moving? And when I stop, we still kind of saw this last bean move until the sound was completely out of the pot. So let's go ahead and try this one and see if the same thing happens. So what do you guys notice? Are the beans moving or are they staying still? And the louder that we do it, the more that they move. And when we stop, the beans are quiet, everything's still. The beans are asleep. All right, guys, so what did you guys notice in that experiment? What happened as we banged louder each time on the pot? So go ahead and look at your parents and ask them, what happened? That's right, the beans moved. So just as the beans was moving, the same thing happens when we speak. Sound travels, it moves. We just can't always see it because it's invisible. But when we test it out like this, we can clearly see that the sound is moving. So for example, let's go ahead and sing a song together. Let's go ahead and do our Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song. So we're gonna do it in 2 ways. We're gonna do it quietly. Are we ready? And why don't we go ahead and make it interesting and do it into a cup? So let's do it into a cup. Get any cup that you want. Are we ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a wonderful child you are. With bright eyes and nice round cheeks, a talented person from head to feet. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a wonderful child you are. Lovely. So did you guys hear this echoing out of the cup like a microphone? That's exactly how sound moves. It echoes out. So if we do it quietly, we won't hear it as loud. So let's try the ABC. So you guys might have heard that one a lot quieter, but I could hear it still. So that's almost like as if you're talking onto the phone. That sound travels. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how sound moves and how sound travels. All right, guys, we'll see you next time on Science.